Hello guys, dinner time and tonight, yan, ang 1/3 ng pork na, slab ng pork na binili ko the other day. So 1/3, may 1/3 pang kasi na ako ano pang ginawa ko? Roast pork. So, ito naman, asado. Sabi ni Kuya Fern. Nanood ako ng YouTube, hinahanap ko anong magandang dish para sa anong magandang recipe para sa pork. Kaya asado tayo. Kasi lagi nilang adobo. Alam ko na yung adobo. Ito, asado daw. Ganda naman siya. Sana masarap. Well, matamis siya. Kasi it's supposed to have sugar, but I don't like sugar. Kaya honey ang nilagay ko. So, it's still sweet. I hope it's not too sweet. Ay. Lumapot siya. Yung sabaw niya, lumapot. Before ko pa, napuna ko lang, before ko pa ilagay yung honey, lumapot na yung sabaw niya. Wala naman ako nilagay na pampalapot. Siguro yung taba ng baboy. Yes. Beautiful. Tapos, saparisan natin yan. Siyempre, rice. Ang katapat niyan. Alam niyo bang dapat ay pizza ang aming ihahapunan. Kasi nagka-crave si Habi ng pizza. It's been a while that we had pizza
Oh, probably over a year.
Over a year. No, when Fiona visited us, so that,
I never got any.
Oh, weren't you here?
Yeah, I had to go somewhere. No, you're supposed to save me some.
There you go.
All I got was the empty boxes to put in the bin.
So, yun, matagal na hindi nakakapag-pizza, kaya parang gusto niya ng pizza, kaya lang tinamad nang lumabas. Inaamoy niya to, niluluto ko. Kasi ang plano ko, lulutuin ko na to ngayon, kasi dinefrost ko na ayoko siya magtagal sa fridge. So sabi ko, sige, lulutuin ko na lang yung pork, and then we'll have it tomorrow, and we can have pizza tonight. Naamoy niya siguro, tinamad nang lumabas. Ito na lang daw ang kainin namin, kaya, yan. Asado tayo for tonight. It's nice, honey. Hope it's not too sweet.
I hope not too, because I just put it all over my rice.
Because I put a dollop of ang tawag doon, honey.
That's all right. That's good.
Yeah?
You put the honey, real honey, or the... Why didn't you use the old
I
honey?
know. Oh, I forgot again, honey. Ganto. One time, natusan ko to at saka si Rory, yung aming apo, nung nandito, na bumili ng oyster sauce. Pagdating dito, crack yung ilalim ng oyster sauce. Hindi siya tumutulo, pero may lamat. Now, when I opened it, yung pressure siguro nag-pop. Tumapon yung, bumukas yung ilalim at tumapon. So, may natira pa. Inilagay ko ngayon sa empty na honey bottle. Plastic bottle. Nilagay ko sa fridge. Nung lumaon, sabi ko, honey, bakit may honey dito sa fridge? Sabi ko, ako ba naglagay niyan? Kasi ito malilimutin, minsan nilalagay niya yung asukal sa loob ng ng fridge. Sabi ko, hindi ko matandaan na ginawa ko pala, na ako pala may gawa nun. So, sabi ko, put it into the honey jar. So, siya naman, ibinuhos na ganon. Ako na makita ka na niya, sabi niya, why is it so dark?
It looks like it's off.
Tapos I tasted it and I said, it's oyster sauce. Oh no! How did it get into the bottle of honey? The oyster sauce. And then I realized, I did it. Nakalimutan ko lang. So ngayon, yung honey na yon, contaminated na siya ng oyster sauce. Ibinukod niya ngayon sa isang jar. Tapos, naglagay ulit siya ng panibagong honey doon sa talagang lalagyanan namin ng honey. Sabi niya, kapag magluluto ka na lang, para hindi sayang, ng may honey, yun ang gamitin mo. Ay nako, eto, nagluto na nga ako. Yung malinis na honey pa rin ang ginamit ko, hindi yung honey na merong oyster sauce. Kainis. Magtatagal yun. Matatagalan bago magamit. I have to think of a dish that I will use honey in it.
Sometimes you put honey and oyster sauce. Thing is, there's not much oyster sauce in it, but it's enough to turn the honey to not to have on your sandwich.
Harap. So, yun. Yun ang kwento. Sarap. It's a little bit sweet to my liking, but
I've got no problem with it. I like honey.
medyo malaki kasi yung aking pagkakasandok sa kutsara ng honey. Pero masarap. Well, matamis, kaya masarap.
It must be cold up there. Look at the jet.
Okay naman. Ayan, dinner solved. Asado. Pork asado. Ganito pala paggawa ng asado. Madali lang siya. Simple lang. Well, lahat naman ng luto ni Kuya Fern, madadali lang. Ano talaga siya? Home cooking. Hindi maarte. Sarap. Well, there you go, guys. Masarap siya, pero hindi naman masyadong exciting. Wala tayong masyadong pag-uusapan. And, yeah, so hanggang dito na lang muna. And I will see you next time. My God bless. Enjoy your dinner.